Did you know how to make natural, chemical-free handmade soap at home? The soap I'm going to teach you will completely cleanse your skin pores, and with several uses, your pores will become much smaller. A soap that balances and smooths the skin and will remove old acne scars and blemishes with continued use. It has many other properties, using natural coffee soap. Before I start teaching you how to make handmade coffee soap, subscribe to the channel now, ring the bell to be the first to see the latest uploaded content. If you liked a particular soap, tell me and leave a comment. I will record the tutorial for you. The first step to making soap is a scientific and very precise recipe. Since I haven't taught you how to write a formula yet, let's move on with my instructions. You must follow safety precautions to make slime and work with sodium hydroxide. Don't take any risks and take full precautions. Wear gloves and preferably do this step outdoors. I set the scale to the gram setting and measured out 71 grams of sodium hydroxide and 165 grams of distilled water. I recommend using only distilled water, not tap water or seawater, as it may spoil your soap. As always, remember that to combine soda, which is hydroxide, with water, first we always add the hydroxide to the water in several stages, depending on its amount, and stir it. The temperature of the water will rise greatly. One of the signs that you will notice that you are doing the right thing is the increase in the temperature of the mixture of distilled water and hydroxide. Now it's time to introduce the oils. Green tea oil, which I taught you how to make green tea oil. We measure 25 grams of green tea oil for the formula. The next oil is olive. I don't want to talk to you about oil blends because it will be difficult for you. I want to record and upload a tutorial for you in the simplest way possible. I measure 295 grams of olive oil. The white and attractive oil that I love and introduce, coconut oil. We prepare 125 grams of coconut oil, and finally our golden oil, which is a miracle for old and dry skin, castor oil. We prepare and measure 50 grams of castor oil. I would like to explain about each of these oils and why they are in this formula. Be careful not to pour more beeswax than the specified amount, because it will spoil the soap and make the soap smell. So to speak, we prepare 5 grams of beeswax for the formula. Friends, be careful that grams per gram is important in this formula and all soap making formulas, so measure very carefully. Please be careful. At first, measure the oils separately, and when you have more experience, you can measure all the oils in one container, of course, provided that your coconut oil is liquid. In this part, I measured olive and castor oil in one container, and in a container that I can put on heat, I measured coconut oil, beeswax, and green tea oil, and in the next step, I put it on heat until the beeswax and coconut become liquid, and I can create a uniform mixture. When the coconut oil, beeswax, and green tea oil, which we have turned into liquid with very gentle heat, I combine them with the olive and castor oils, and when they are completely combined and stirred, now it is time to add the lye solution. During this time, while I was measuring my oils, the temperature of my lye solution reached room temperature, and now I am allowed to add it. Be careful to add the lye solution to the oils with the help of a strainer. Always do this and strain. Maybe a piece of undissolved hydroxide does not get into the soap. My next advice is to make sure that the temperature of the lye and the oils are very, very close to each other, so that your soap does not have problems. I will present to you all the things that may cause problems with the output of your work and soap. By doing it correctly step by step, you can be sure that you will produce excellent and unique natural soap. Mixing and combining the oils with the lye solution is a very important step because if the trituration step is not done properly, all your hard work will be wasted. Add 2 tablespoons of coffee powder to the soap ingredients and mix the soap mixture again with a blender. You can tell by the appearance that the trituration is at what stage. I separate a very small amount of the soap ingredients and add another tablespoon of coffee to it. I did this for the beauty of the soap. I wanted my coffee soap to have darker brown lines inside. And finally, you will transfer the ingredients to a silicone mold like me, which you will see later in the video. I would like to explain a little about the properties of coffee soap to you, my dears. This product is a handmade soap that has caring and therapeutic properties. Coffee soap regulates skin oil and thus prevents the formation of pimples and acne. This oil control also plays an important role in improving skin pores and preventing them from opening too much, and still does not allow small and large pimples to form on the skin of the face. As a result, smooth and even skin is the least result that using this soap will give you. One of the advantages of this product over chemical soaps is the best pH level for the skin. In fact, unlike chemical products, this natural product not only does not disrupt the pH level of the skin, but also helps to regulate it. In this way, ideal conditions are provided for the life of the skin and, of course, metabolism and collagen production. Natural control of skin oil with coffee soap due to the presence of green tea oil in this product. It acts like a powerful exfoliator and removes dead skin cells. This substance allows the skin to breathe better, metabolize better, and, of course, make collagen better by opening the pores. Using this product when added to your skincare program can give you skin free of blemishes, acne, and, of course, unpleasant layers. It can also help eliminate acne scars in some cases. Even if coffee soap has one property and restores the beauty of your skin that has been affected by small and large acne, it has fulfilled its mission. But this is not the only property of coffee soap. Just as coffee is not the only effective ingredient in this composition. The best oils for the skin are used in this product, and it is a kind of selection of pristine nature. Another ingredient in this product is oil, whose role in removing dark skin is very strong. Also, improving blood circulation in the skin and helping it stay young is a function that only castor oil can do. The presence of this substance along with vegetable oils and other natural products together makes your skin young, free from acne and blemishes, smooth and of course bright, and the combination of green tea oil and castor oil is completed with olive oil, which has always been known as the best oil for skin and hair. Vitamin E, various fatty acids, various antioxidants, and beneficial fats in olive oil provide the skin with everything it needs for its life. This substance protects the skin from harmful rays, keeps the skin moist at a good level, regulates skin fat, and, most importantly, forces the skin to metabolize. All of this together means maintaining the skin's youth and freshness. Note: natural and handmade coffee soap despite the vegetable oils in its texture, has the property it has cleansing and regulates skin oil. In this way, oily skin that is prone to acne and pimples is well balanced by this product and its vulnerability is reduced. So you don't have to worry about the oils in this product and the possibility of acne and pimples. Properties and benefits of coffee soap. Coffee soap is one of the natural skincare products that has many benefits for the skin and even hair due to its caffeine, antioxidants, and other beneficial compounds. The quality of this product is also very important when buying it. But let's give a detailed answer to the question, what is coffee soap good for? We have eliminating bad body odor, helping to treat puffiness under the eyes, reducing inflammation and redness of the skin, reducing dark spots and blemishes, naturally moisturizing the skin, deeply cleansing the pores of the skin, increasing the softness and smoothness of the skin, helping to heal scars, controlling skin oil and reducing acne and pimples, creating a sense of calm and energy to the skin, tightening the skin and reducing wrinkles, increasing blood circulation and helping to rejuvenate the skin, relieves skin irritations such as itching and inflammation, gentle exfoliation and removal of dead skin cells, helping to reduce cellulite and subcutaneous fat, antioxidant properties, and preventing premature aging of the skin. How to use coffee soap. First, wet the skin with lukewarm water, not hot or cold, to open the pores and prepare the skin to receive the soap ingredients. If there is makeup or surface dirt on the skin, remove it with a mild cleanser. Direct method: massage the soap directly onto damp skin, suitable for exfoliation and stimulating blood circulation. Indirect method: create lather with hands or a washcloth and then massage the lather onto the skin, suitable for gentle, daily cleansing. For the face, massage the soap into the skin in a very gentle circular motion. Focus more on the forehead, nose, and chin T-zone to control oil and cleanse. Pores, suitable duration, 30 to 60 seconds, then rinse with lukewarm water. Avoid direct contact of the soap with the area around the eyes. For the body, massage cellulite-prone areas, thighs, buttocks, abdomen, in a circular motion. For deeper exfoliation, a soft washcloth can be used. Suitable duration, 1 to 3 minutes on each area, then rinse with lukewarm water. After use, rinse the skin thoroughly with lukewarm water until no soap suds remain. Do not use very hot water as it will overdry the skin. Immediately after washing, gently pat the skin dry with a soft, clean towel. Without rubbing the towel over the skin, use a moisturizer suitable for your skin type, preferably a natural oil such as argan oil, jojoba oil, or a cream without heavy chemicals. If used during the day, use a suitable sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30. I hope you are satisfied with this and that you make this soap with me and enjoy the benefits of using it. The structure of cold process soap making is such that it should have an average of 4 to 8 weeks of rest. Most of the steps of becoming soap occur during the rest period. When you pour it into the mold, you take the soap out of the mold after a day and cut it according to the taste and needs of the customer or yourself. Now it is time to rest the cut pieces of soap on a floor where there is no dust and is clean and is protected from complete humidity and direct sunlight. We put it there for a specific period of time. For example, in this recipe 4 weeks, equivalent to 1 month, is enough. Then this soap can be used. Enjoy its unique properties for the skin. Did you know that we have another method of soap making that immediately after making? The soap is ready to use. Are you interested in learning hot method soap? Thank you for watching my educational video. Please share the video with your friends, especially those who are interested in living with natural ingredients and whose lifestyle is linked to natural ingredients. If you have any questions while making soap, I am by your side and will answer your questions. Please subscribe to the channel. I will have more energy if I see my audience growing more and more. May God be with you. Until the next part, God bless you.